Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Resmi and today I'm going to share with you all my everyday makeup routine. So let's get started the video. You can just smooth me. Before starting the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the all notifications. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. So first I'm starting with my everyday moisturizer, which is Himalaya Revitalizing Night Cream, and I'm applying all of my face. Next I'm using mascara eyeshadow palette and one angular brush to fill my eyebrows, and I'm choosing a black color as I'm having thick eyebrows, so I don't want to fill too much. Next I'm using eyebrow brush to set it. Next I'm using BB cream. In my everyday makeup, I don't like to use foundation or concealer, so I'm using here BB cream. And now I'm blending it with the help of a brush. Now I'm applying all over my lid. Next I'm using the one Oriflame compact powder and I'm applying all over my face. Now it's time for contouring. I'm using here brown lipstick to do my contouring. If you don't have contour stick like me, you can use this trick to do. Next I'm using a damp sponge to blend it. Here I'm using a pink lipstick for my blush. Now it's time for eyeshadow. I have done with that eyeshadow. Now I'm going with the BB cream for my cut crease. Now I'm taking this orange color and applying on my eyelid. Next I'm using the black eyeshadow. It's time for kajal. Next I'm using eyelash curler, mascara, it's time for eyeliner and I'm applying simple wing eyeliner. Now I'm applying again the mascara. And now my second eyes is done. Now it's time for lipstick. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the all notification.